Hello, pretty geeks, and welcome to a new unboxing. This is Sago Mini, and I'm really super duper excited for this one because I was looking up some different activity sets and things to do with my students and with my daughter, and I found an activity box, and I was really excited to see what it's all about because each one has figurine, like a single figurine at least, but it's like multiple types of like play sets or activity sets, and each box has a theme and you put it all together. I believe sometimes like the box itself gets turned into part of the play area, but with the boxes that I looked up, there were so many cool themes. There was cooking themes where your box like folded backwards and then all of a sudden it was like a tiny stove, and I really liked the creativity. I liked the makerness of it, and I really liked that there were still DIYs, but there was so much playability where it was also something that's not just going to be junk. So sometimes I feel like we get stuck with a lot of art crafts which are so fun to make, but also so heartbreaking for our littles that, you know, we don't necessarily want. It's a lot of pictures. There's a lot of baby art. So this way they can still have that creativity. It's just another pathway. It's another idea for them to do. And I like the idea of that theme. So this theme, it says on my box, is fairy tales. So it does have a little mini list of everything that's in it. I'm not going to read through it because I like the surprise just as much as y'all do. Oh, and look at that. Open my box and look at that. It's a little stage. It looks kind of like a little puppet show. So, fairy tales. In this box, storytelling and pretend play rule the day. Reenacts classic fairy tales or create your own. Oh, and it has the whole list of everything inside. I'm going to leave that for a second so I can see it. All right. And open it up. And, oh, that's so fun. So, everything is individually wrapped. So, it's like a million little bitty surprises. And I'm about that. And it is, thankfully, like all paper. I'm glad there's not like a ton of plastic here. So we'll start off with this one. I'm thinking this is going to be the mini figurine. That's all I had known about Sago previously, was that they have tiny figurines. And this one has them for little playthings. Oh my word. Ah! We got a little bitty Whizzer figurine. He is a really heavy duty, like strong plastic. He's not moving. And he is adorable. I like him a lot. He does have a little stand. So I wonder if he does, or he's got a little hole in his foot. So I'm wondering if he doesn't have like a stand or something he could clip onto to stand up. But, oh, I love him. All right. We have Magic Story Beans. And this one is from Astrid. Thank you, Astrid. You pick a bean. You pull out a magic bean out of the pouch one at a time. Each bean tells a unique part of the story. So you can do it like Mad Lib style, like once upon a time, this happened, this happened. I like this idea. It reminds me very much of Rory's stories, the story cubes. That's super cute. And, oh, it has a little letter from Astrid. Hi friend, I was out tending my garden and look what I found. These magical story beans will help you create your very own fairy tale. Close your eyes and choose one. Can you tell me a story about the picture on it? Keep choosing beans until your story is finished. You have such a great imagination. Happy tales, Astrid. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. Oh, and from the picture, I thought they were going to be like maybe 5 big beans, but they are like big enough that they're not like tiny trash, but they're not huge. And look at that. So you can flip them over. They are double-sided. So they are blank on one side, and oh my gosh, they have some of just the cutest little pictures. Oh. All right, I'm gonna try so hard to remember to photo these. Okay, these are so cute. So I don't think we're gonna be able to do a full-on, like, we want to say sculpted. That doesn't sound right, feel right. craft something. We're not going to be able to do some of these activities exactly the way that they're planned because my daughter is 2.5, but she is advanced as well. So I tend to get older ones, but I do also have older kids that I work with and teach. So next, so yeah, usually she's here when I open, but I wanted to open them up because some things I want to give them to her in pieces. And notice that if I open them all at once, she just wants all of them. So this one is from Ginger, to my new favorite playwright. And it says, oh, it's got a little fragile sticker, broken egg. And this is activity number 2. And Fairy Ginger Puppet Theater. So this one, again, it does say that we're making the theater out of the box. It gave us some props, some little like cardboard prop cards. And it says, oh, try using the magic story beans to the new theater to help make a play. There's a finger puppet and another letter. So it's good for make-believe play, it's good for small motor play, and of course it's good for those language skills. So we got a new letter, again, super unique. How freaking cute is this? Okay, I think my little is gonna play with them because I can't say no to anything, but I think this is gonna have to come to my classroom. I might actually just need to get a subscription specifically for them. So I will take the tag off this. It's a little distracting, but look how big the finger puppet is. I was like ready for it to be like a single finger, like kind of junky style, but this is really nice. It's beautifully stitched. He's got wings, he's even got a little tail, got little leggies. Let's see. Which way do my fingers go in it? Oh, I love him. And, oh, so you can wear him with little feet, so he walks, or you can go the opposite way and do his head so he can fly. That is so fun. So all of the props are a really, like, look how thick that is. Cardboard, cardstock sort of thing. Wonderfully printed. I love that they're double-sided and that the picture is not identical. That's super fun. We've got the Rapunzel, and then with the styled coif, the okay. All right, I'm in love. Okay, little dragon. Oh, they gave him a baby bottle. Unicorn with cupcakes, super cute. Ooh. And these are gonna be super easy to punch out because they like just want to get out, and there's no weird hard edges. They are super, super smooth and just so vibrant. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. I'm losing my little mind here. I am so gosh darn happy. I think I might just try put some extra activities together for some of these. So I'm gonna pack them up all neat and maybe have my little one open them up like when I'm doing mail time myself, because that's just fun to do. All right, try to keep all my paper out for recycling. Some of these bigger ones though, like this, that's a decent sized piece of paper. It's not all guessy. And this type of paper is really awesome for like lining the table when you're doing science activities, as well as just for drawing. So I'm not certain if this was just for padding or something inside. Oh, just for padding. So I'm going to save these bigger sheets of paper because I do have a very artistic child, like all kids start out as, I think. And set them aside. And then we have one last one. Activity number 3 is a wizard hat, magic wand, and gnome home. Cute. It comes with the letter, the little wizard hat, stickers for it, wand stars, wand handle, and ribbons. Some stickers for the wand, and then the stickers for the home. That does not come with the flower pot itself, but with everything else that's included. I don't feel like they skimped out on anything by not having that, because it feels like an additional activity. It doesn't feel like it necessarily has to be part of activity number 3. It's its own thing. And let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. It's not even like a cheapsy felt. It's like a nice felt, finished edges. It's got a freaking French seam on the inside. Okay. Okay. I wonder if it's... Oh, chow. All right. So I've got a pretty small head, but it works and I like it. Looks a little bit more gnomish on me than Wizard, so I'm thinking on the actual toddler it'll look really cute. And then the themes of this one is, again, make-believe play. It's going forward with playing with the art, so it's not as like super artistic as some of the other craft, just solely craft kits are, but it's obviously still very artistic. And symbolic play, so like turning something into something else that it's obviously not, is so good for their minds because they're just starting to break through some of the abstract, and moving forward that aspect of pretend play is huge. So these are the parts of the stars. This one is adhesive backed, so they'll kind of sandwich the stick. There'll be some ribbons, make a super cute wand. And my little one just came back from a short visit. Well, I want to say drip visit, but it's a drive because COVID. And these are the stickers. I was expecting like stickers, but obviously my expectations for this whole box were incorrect. They are a heavy duty felt. They are adhesive. They're awesome. I feel like I'll actually be able to like put in a couple stitches. Ooh, I could put some extra little embroidery stitches around it. That would be awesome. And it'll stay. It'll be like a durable piece that will last and last and last. It won't be something that, you know, we play with and it's like, oh, well, we can keep playing with it, but then it breaks. And then these are the little bonus stickers for the bonus activity for making the pot into a gnome house. And that's really cute. I think it'd be really fun actually to add them to a few different little pots. We've been looking at making a fairy garden, and it did have its own letter. This package was from Gary. Oh, that's so cute. Why, hello there. Do you believe in magic? I sure do. Wizards and fairies use magic wands to help them cast spells. We need your help to turn a flower pot into a new home for Tom the Gnome. Build a wand, create your own spell, and poof, magic. You're welcome to visit Tom's new house anytime. Beware, it has low ceilings. Ah, that's cute. And they did include these little faces, which are supposed to be for on the wand. They kind of freak me out a little bit. And I think the wand would be cuter without the faces. I'll ask little one what she thinks. She doesn't usually like cartoony faces anyway. But, okay. Yeah. I'm happy. I think probably, if you can't tell from my beaming booming face, this is adorable. It's obviously going to get a lot of awesome playtime here at home. And I am so happy. I am so happy. It feels like a really amazing deal regardless. I am not certain on the prices, so I will add that in a moment. I'll put a little blurby thing so y'all can know more about it.
So here's a quick snapshot of everything that came in our box via the card that was included. This was one of the pictures that I originally saw that made me want to try this box so badly. The price breakdown is $19 per month at a monthly rate, or $15 per month if you get the whole year. However, I do have a $10 off coupon down below. It will be where coupons always are, in the description box below.
The info so you can check it out for yourself. I think it is so fun. It is so awesome. So I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed this, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.